This may take a little bit more to shift because this is very rouleau. Okay, so this hasn't just been a day of not having water. This is a much longer time of having a high level of dehydration happening in the body, and therefore we've got a systemic inflammatory terrain that we're looking at. So to change this for the individual would make a huge impact. They would start to feel a real difference from being hydrated. This is a white blood cell here, which is substantially much more constricted than actually even the other two samples. But there is energy in the sample.
Sorry, but what has happened to this blood?
Can you stop that, please, so that you can see?
Oh. This is the blood we were just looking at before?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. This is like, wow. I was going to say
It's racing.
blood on fire, but it's blood on hydrogen. Yes.
The extremely inflamed blood.
Wow.